Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and play Minecraft Education Edition. This is kind of different from the normal Minecraft because it has like coding. You can educate people in this basically because it is Education Edition. That was obvious. So I'm going to show you how to download it first. So basically it's super easy. You just have to open a new window and you just search for Minecraft Education Edition as I did here, and you'll go to the download Minecraft Education Edition. Once you click on that, you'll get this. So as I have Mac, I'm not sure how to do like download this for Windows or how it will look for the Windows, but it should be same. So I'm going to click on here, but again, if you have like Windows or Chromebook or iPad, you just click on your different platforms. So when I click on Mac, there will be this Minecraft Education Edition DMG downloading. So I paused it right now because I've already downloaded Minecraft. So because it like kind of takes time for Windows, but for a Mac it takes like probably 5 minutes to do all the work, like sign up and stuff. So once the loading is all done, you will have something like this. Let me just, yeah. So you'll have something like this. You will just have to put this in the applications and then you'll be set. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna open the Minecraft. So it will tell you to sign in or log in if you already have an account. But as I am already signed in, I'm going to show you guys how to play it now. But I would recommend you to pause the video right now and sign in and then play it again to see how to create things because I'm going to go on right now. So you can switch accounts if you want, if you like log into a different one, or if you have siblings and they have their own account, you can switch accounts. Settings, basically you can change the settings for keyboard and mouse, controller, touch, profile, video, and more. There's so many. You can change the language to mine is English US right now. And then we have new and feature. This is a new update in Minecraft Education Edition. So you can go to the Safari and explore. Build Hour of Code 2019 and 2020. This is a challenge you have to code and like this is your agent basically. You have to save him by coding and like there's so many obstacles in between. So this one is a city challenge, the power challenge, a sustainability city. My favorite will be the safari and the city because the safari is like too like there's so many cute animals and they're like ginormous, but I like them both. They're my favorite. So now I'm going to click on play and you can join a world if you have like a friend playing it with you. You can just join a world and he or she will give you the code and you can just put the code in and I know that's not a game, but and you can just join their world and see what they have created or you can play with them. Next we have is import. You can just like save your worlds, give it to each other and share it. Then we have view library. So there's lessons, monthly build challenges, how to play, worlds and biome. So in how to play, you can just like you have like so many tutorials, but as I'm giving you the tutorial, I feel like mine will be easy because I'm actually saying it. This will just give you instructions what to do, and if you're stuck, you can't like ask them really. So there's like you can start with the keyboard, touch, and additional tutorials. That's how to play if you wanna check out that too. Then we have monthly build challenges. So you have to code in this one too. See, I was talking about this one. Agent to the rescue. You would have to save your agent by coding. Then this is my favorite one because I kind of it's like this one is really difficult. I did not know what to do. It like the topic is simple, area and volume is simple topic, but in Roblox, no, it's not. You have to like I don't know. I didn't even figure out what to do. And then we have be creative and many more. So you can check that out. It is Mars. So you can check everything out once you download it. This is the maze one. It's super easy. So now this is the worlds. So there's bio. You can check that out too. Forest bound. Then we have featured worlds. So you have blocks of grass. These are not actual grass. These are like kind of blocks. I'll show you what I mean by like these are not actually grass. Back to school. School in it with. Then we have graduation celebration. We have make and model. I haven't tried all of these yet. I didn't even know the graduation one till yet. Now we have lessons. So there's science, math, computer science, language arts. These are probably like they came in the updated version because before it was only science, math, computer science, history and culture. That's it. Maybe not even history and culture, maybe art and design, I don't remember. But there's few, you can check them out. If you click on math, you have like grade 3 work if you want to do that. Then we have grade 4, grade 5, and then fractions, which is the easiest topic in math, additional lessons. So you can check that out. And there's so many things. So now I'll view my roles. I'll tell you what I did. Personally, I did the agent to rescue. I finished it, but then at the end it lagged a bit and I had to start from the beginning, which was really sad because I took probably like 3 or 4 days to complete it all. It was like really hard. Then part time I just roamed around because I did not understand. And then Minecraft tutorial, I just like made it for some reason. Okay, so my world, I'm gonna host this one. It's loading, 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 loading. Game moving slow, question mark. I didn't read though. Okay. So this is my world, it's really funny. I have a story behind it, but I'm not gonna say it. So I built this through coding. This is a fire tower, as you can see. This is like a fire, but I sprayed some water on it, so now it's a water tower. Alright, so this is my house. I'm reaching for my house right now. By the way, if you wonder how I'm flying, you can just double tap on the space bar and you'll fly. And then you have to keep pressing the space bar to go up to the clouds, which is for some reason squared. Okay. And then when you double click on the space bar again, you'll just go down. If you want to go down like a little bit, but not all the way, you just press shift and you'll just go like a little bit. And remember, this is for Mac. I'll launch another tutorial for Windows right now, but right now we are doing it for Mac. See, I don't know what that are. They said that it's like a slime thing, but I don't know. I don't get this. Okay, let's move on. I don't know what I did there. So, oh, remember when I was telling you this is not actually grass. This is like a box and stuff. So you can just you need a mouse. Yeah, I remember. You need a mouse to play this game because you can like it's a little hard to move the camera if you don't have a mouse. So if you right click, you'll spawn an animal because I have to you know, this is a spawn creeper. Oh, this is a creeper. That actually creeps me out though. Okay, that's why his name is Creeper. Or she. It could be a she. We don't know. And then if you left click, you'll break the boxes. But so I'm going to. I fell in the water. That's just sad. Okay, so let's read these instructions. Welcome to my land. If you want to come in and explore, you would have to knock first, and the owner of this house will let you in. You might want a guest room so you can ask the owner if she lets you live there. You can enjoy your stay. That's kind of harsh, but I didn't write that. My cousin did. That's kind of harsh though. So always remember to wear a mask as the pandemic. Is that is that a C or O? That's a C. Okay. Pandemic is going on and you'll be sick. So wear a mask, which we don't have. So it's fine. I'm the owner. It's fine. Hello there. If you want to go swimming, then on your right there is a private swimming pool just for people who are staying in the resort. Sometimes I say it's a hotel, sometimes it's a house, sometimes it's a resort. I don't know. It could be anything. Please wear a mask or any kind of shield that can cover your face. Enjoy your stay at my place. So thank you. So this is my swimming pool. It's kind of deep. Don't go in if you have a kid or anything. So I'll open this door with my mouse and you have to right click. Because if you do a left click, you'll destroy it. So I'll go in, I'll close the door because I don't want any animals coming in my house. So over here we have my bed, my bedroom, which is having a glass surrounding for some reason. But yeah, so you click right click again. You can only sleep at night. You can't sleep in the morning. That's just sad because some people want to sleep in the morning. What do they do? Oh, by the way, this house is not complete yet. I just like it's under construction. So this is my bookshelf. I love reading. So this is my bookshelf, and we have like some stairs to just like hop on and like buy this book, read this book. This is if you like destroy this, you would have no light. That's why I put so much in because like I need a light. It's I don't want darkness. So these are my pets. I love rabbits. They're so cute. Like literally, they're so cute. And they also lay eggs for baby rabbits. This chicken lay eggs for the like baby chickens, which grow. Yeah, which they grew. They're like small. They were so little yesterday. But yeah. So these are the llama. I love them. I love llamas. Like it's so good. They're like so cute. But overall, I like the rabbits. And we have some lights. And let's go to the swimming pool because I want to swim and I don't have a costume, but I'll swim. So I'll open this door. The fun fact is, once you open the door, you don't have the you can't even stand there. Literally, you just fell in the pool. That's like, I have to create a path because that's dangerous, to be honest. Oh, that's my tower. Hey. So, I just have one question to the Minecraft Education Edition creator. Why is like everything square or rectangle? I don't understand because like clouds. I mean, I'm sinking down. Hey, help me. Okay. So, yeah, it's pretty deep. So again, if you like left click, you'll break this, and you'll just like the water will go down, and there's nothing down there. Like you can actually like fell down and never come back up. That's so I recommend you not breaking it. Hey, you can actually sit on it, right? Yeah. See, I'm sitting on it. You don't go. Okay, I'm just gonna go. So he just ignored me, so that's fine. So yeah, basically this was my casa. So it's really cool. I have to like it's kind of basic, like it's brown. It's kind of basic, so I have to paint it. I have to put another blocks in to make it look like better. Then I can create a path over here, and I can remove like. See, the thing is, you. I didn't mean to. Oh my god, why am I hitting animals today? I hit so many animals. By the way, I spawned it by mistake. If you like right click, you can spawn animals because I have an egg in my inventory right now. You can see the 9, right? Yeah, you can see 9 little boxes down below, which I'm clicking on right now. These are basically like the stuff you. Why? Sorry, I got distracted. I don't know how he got up there, but please be okay. Don't fall down. Okay. So you can basically like right click and spawn. I'm going to spawn a pig right now. So you right click and then there's a pig. They lay eggs, and if you left click 2 times, they actually die. So I don't recommend you doing that because it's kind of harsh. They should live their own life. And see, that's so cute. They lay eggs. They eat the grass, by the way, which is like kind of annoying because you'll finally turn everything green and then there you look, it's just brown. I don't like that. They should eat, but like go there and eat. Why do you have to do it in front of my house? But see, it's so cute though. Can you turn around, please? Yes, please. Yes. See, I should take a. I'm just. No, you shouldn't do that. Okay. But I give them food to eat, like ham and stuff. But and then it will show you like a heart sign if you give them something to eat, because now they're friends with you. Because you give them something to eat. If you press on escape, ESC, you you can stop hosting it. You can just play it, and I'm going to like save and exit. So basically, that was my first tutorial of Minecraft. I showed you how to, I kind of told you how to build it, but I didn't give you a lot of details because for building, you have to go to my next tutorial and watch how to build the house that I just showed you. So thank you once again for watching this video, and like it, subscribe, comment down below if you want me to do more Minecraft videos like these, and comment if you want like any more challenges from library. I can do these. If you want me to try, comment down below and I'll read everyone's comment and I'll reply or like, so you'll know that I consider it. So have a nice day. Be safe, wear a mask, don't go out because it's lockdown right now in Canada and in India and everywhere basically, mainly, mainly everywhere. But be safe, wear masks, wear shields that cover your face, and enjoy the day today. Thank you so much for watching this video.